Too much noise in the static. Can't find my own rhythm, it's all automatic. Just another day, it goes by way too fast. Looking for a feeling that's finally gonna last. I feel the pressure building, yeah, it's weighing on my soul. I'm looking for the exit, looking for control. I just wanna dive into the deep, deep blue. Find a little space where the world feels new. Swimming in a dreamlike state. Moving through the water, I can't wait. Looking for a peace that's all my own. A different frequency, a different zone. We're gonna swim until the morning light. Breaking through the shadows of the night. Swim, yeah, just swim, let the tide take us in. Weightless in the dark, let the current take the lead. Far away from everything, it's all I really need. No more expectations, no more heavy clouds. Silencing the voices and the static of the crowds. One breath, two breaths, sinking in the glow. Watching all the worries stay above and let them go. Yeah, the rhythm of the ocean is the only thing I hear. Washing off the tension and the shadows of the fear. Swimming in a dreamlike state. Moving through the water, I can't wait. Looking for a peace that's all my own. A different frequency, a different zone. We're gonna swim until the morning light. Breaking through the shadows of the night. Swim, yeah, just swim, let the tide take us in. Floating through the blue, everything is clear and new. Keep on pushing, keep on moving. Finally found the groove I'm choosing. The pressure's gone, the weight is lifted. Into a brand new world I've waited. One breath, two breaths, sinking in the glow. One breath, two breaths, sinking in the glow. Watch it